The refrigerator comes with corrosion-resistant stainless steel exterior with LED display. A separate switch for lighting is placed in the control panel. The temperature control ranges from -25 to -18 degrees centigrade. It allows a quick and easy setting of temperature. Defrost button is pressed next. Push the button to defrost automatically. The interior fans are equipped inside for refrigeration and better airflow. The fans will stop once the doors are opened. The adjustable shelves are designed for your convenience.